Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineers. Today I bring some general knowledge, current affairs. So let's discuss. First one, how many members nominated to Rajya Sabha by President? 12 members. Question number 2, Election Commission of India mentioned in which article of Indian Constitution? 324. Finance Commission comes under which article of Indian Constitution? 280. Highest law officers in India, Attorney General. Smallest Lok Sabha constituency in general elections by area, Chandni Chowk, Delhi. India's first university, Nalanda. Largest river in the world, Amazon. Longest river in the world, Nile. Highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest. Oldest mountain range in the world, Aravalli. Biggest continent, Asia. Cyclone that hits many parts in India recently, Cyclone Taukte. Who has won international invincible gold medal? Ramesh Nishank. India's rank in WEF World Economic Forum Global Transitions Index 2021, 87th. Who won Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021? Romana Sinha. 200th Kisan Rail completed its journey from Nuzvid, Andhra Pradesh to Adarsh Nagar, Delhi. Human Development Index released by UNDP. Brightest planet in the solar system, Venus. Red planet in the solar system, Mars. Which planet has maximum number of moons? Saturn, 82. Which planet has no natural satellite? Venus and Mercury. Fundamental duties in Indian Constitution borrowed from Russia. Fundamental rights in Indian Constitution borrowed from USA. National emergency provision in Indian Constitution borrowed from Germany. Minimum age to become the President of India, 35. Minimum age to become the Vice President of India, 35. Minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India, 25. Minimum age to become the Chief Minister, 25. Minimum age to become the Governor, 35. Minimum age to become the Member of Lok Sabha, 25. Minimum age to become the Member of Sabha, 30. Father of modern economic reforms, Manmohan Singh. Father of space program, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Father of white revolutions, Dr. Verghese Kurian. Father of modern India, Raja Raman Roy. Father of Indian Constitution, B.R. Ambedkar. Father of comic books, Anant Pai. Battle of Kalinga, 261 BC. Founder of Buddhism, Siddhartha Gautama. Founder of Jainism, Rishabh Nath. Real founder of Jainism, Mahavira. First Governor General of Bengal, Warren Hastings. First Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. First Governor General of India after independence, Lord Mountbatten. First Indian Governor General of India after independence, C. Rajagopalachari. Who was the founder of Muslim League in India? Nawab Salimullah. Vitamin E is known as beauty vitamin. Premature of whitening the hair is due to the deficiency of vitamin B12. Nitrous oxide is known as laughing gas. Which vitamin is good for the eyes? That is vitamin A. Rice bowl of India, Chhattisgarh. Financial capital of India, Mumbai. Health capital of India, Chennai. Yoga capital of India, Rishikesh. Cultural capital of India, Kolkata. Sunflower is the national flower of which country? Russia. The first Earth Summit was held in Brazil. In which year was the Tiger Reserve of Periyar, India established in 1978? The venue of this 13th SAARC Summit was at Dhaka. The 13th Non-Aligned Movement Summit was held at Kuala Lumpur. Emergency declared by President. National Emergency Article 352. State Emergency Article 356. Financial Emergency Article 360. First country to start the civil service examination, China. There is no election held in Saudi Arabia. It is still governed by monarch. World first drainage system was developed by the people of Indus Valley Civilization. Bangladesh was created in the year of 1971. The Great Wall of China made by which dynasty?